So guys, we are standing on our plot. This is Tulivu Gardens along Kangundo Road. As you can see behind me, they are already subdivided, already beaconed. There is water, there is electricity, as you can see, ready for you to come in and settle. They are touching Amaram Road and they are only 1.5 kilometers from Kangundo Road. So you do not have any problems with accessing this plot. And they're going at a very affordable price of 985,000 with a flexible payment plan of up to 6 months. Karibuni sana. You are missing out. There are only 2 plots remaining, so hurry up. Come settle down with your family here.
Yeah, to add on that, you can see even the neighborhood is quiet and serene. Hapa ni mahali penye kama umechoka na zile stress za kelele za tao, unakuja unajificha hapa hivi, unatengeneza kakeja kako paka smart, unatulia. And then you can see hata kahewa ni kasafi, si kama kale hakuna moshi moshi,
hakuna kelele.
You can just come and retire here. Kutoka kwa makelele za Nairobi unakuja unatulia hapa vizuri. And then kuna barabara hapa, shopping center ni hapa tu chini, 1.5 kilometers, you can even walk. Alafu kiangalia pia drainage iko fiti, kinyesha hapa hivi yani maji napita kiendaga. So this is a good place. I encourage our investors, karibu sana Wimark. And flexible plan inamaanisha unalipa mdogo mdogo. Kama unalipa for example 50% of the amount, you can give up to 6 months to clear the balance without even a single interest. Ile pesa tumesema 985 utalipa hiyo. Then we give you a flexible payment plan. Ukishamaliza hivyo tunakupatia transfer direct, tunakupatia title yako. And then you are good home owner with your freehold title deed on your hand. Karibuni sana Wimark, karibuni sana Tulivu Gardens.
Wimark Properties, credible luxury.